Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to add payee or delete and edit payees, how to add categories and how to add the tags. So let's go to the pay manager first. Payees are the records where to whom we pay some amount or where we will get the some amount from the person. So those people are categorized as a payee. For example, I'm going to buy some groceries from the supermarket. Then supermarket people is the my payee. So let's say I'm going to add supermarket as a payee. Go to click on other tools and click add button and type payee as a supermarket and keep hidden as a deselected because this is the active payee, and the last two used category will be populated automatically. In the reference field, you can keep the some of the reference number from the payee, for example bank account number or their UPI ID, those kind of information. And in the website you can add their website address, and if you want to add some notes you can add, and then click OK. New payee will be added. Let's add one more payee. Just click add. Let's call pay as Amazon. I'm keeping all other values as a default. Click OK. And if you want edit, you can select the payee and click the other icon. You can click edit. The same pop-up dialog will open, and you can add as a you can update the your payee. I'm updating as a Food Palace Supermarket and click OK. And if you look at the other menus from the other tools, you have remove. If you can select the payee and click remove, this will delete the payee from this payee manager. And when you select other payees and go to the other tools, and you have two more options, define category and remove category. Right now I don't have any last use category defined. This is supposed to be populated automatically, but if you want to, when you add a new payee, if you want to define the category, you can define the category by clicking this menu. And I will keep, let's say, gifts as my category. And now the last used category is updated as a gift. If you want to remove this last use, you can click other tools and click remove category. This is the way you can add, update or delete or define the categories for the your payee. You can add n number of payees over here based on your requirement. Just click cancel or hit this close button to close the payee manager. Next we are going to see how to manage the different categories. Just click category manager button over here. These are the categories by default will be available the moment you create new database in the Money Manager application. To add new categories, select the category header menu and click add. I'm adding categories as a transport and click OK. The moment I click OK, the transport as a category is added. If you want to add subcategory, I need to select this transport category and click add. Let's say I will say as a ticket. Click OK. Then ticket will become a subcategory for the transport. And if you want to add one more subcategory for the transport, I should select the transport and click add. And enter as a parking and click OK. Now parking will be added as a subcategory, the same level as how we have added as a ticket. And if you want to add one more subcategory for the given subcategory itself, select the subcategory and click add. And let's say I'm and let me select the parking. Let's say add and click enter car. So now car will be the subcategory for parking and parking will be the subcategory for the transport. This is the way you can add n number of categories and subcategory combination based on your requirement. And if you have some income and you want to have separate category for income, I would recommend go and add subcategory under the income category itself, and for all other remaining category you can keep it for your expenses. And if you want to delete some category, just select particular category and click delete. And if you want to update, select the category and click edit. I'm updating this with parking charges. The moment click OK, your category will be updated. And if you want to cancel this dialog, hit cancel button or hit close button over here. That's all about the category manager. The next one will be the tag manager. These tags are specifically used to help the reporting. So if you want to track some of the expenses in the different way, you can add the tags, and these tags can be included in each and every your transaction that you are going to add. For example, I'm going for some outing. I want to track the expenses for that outing. Maybe you are going to spend your travel charges, your restaurant charges, your lodging charges, or your sightseeing charges. Those can be from the different categories. So if you want to club all into under one group, you can use the tag. For example, click add and type as a outing 1 and click OK. Now outing 1 will be added as a new tag. So in this tag management, space or other special characters are not allowed. If you add any tags with the space, system will not allow you. Let's say outing space 2, click OK. This will throw an error message. Space is not allowed. So always you try to add without space, or you can use the underscore to complete them. Click OK to complete. And if you want to edit something, you can click particular tag and click edit button and update whatever you required. And if you want to delete, select particular category and hit delete button and click OK or close button to close the dialog. That's all for this video. If you are not subscribed for my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.